All right, just gonna do a little sanding. I'm starting with some 320. I'm gonna do the surfaces of all the sides, and then I'm gonna go in and round all the edges. Let's get started. Whole bunch. I'm just trying to smooth out the surface so when I feel it, it feels nice and smooth, which is what I achieved very quickly using this versus by hand. Now I'm going to go in and I'm going to try to round. I usually do that by hand. Sometimes I even use the Dremel, but we'll try it with this to see how it goes. Okay, so that definitely will work because you can see how, let's see, I'll get you right in the camera here. See how that's pretty squared. Just a few seconds of doing that, you can see it's starting to go there. So we're gonna go ahead and do a little bit more of that, see how I like it. If that takes too long, then we might switch to a Dremel, but stay tuned. All right, so did some more work on rounding the edges, so I want to give you a little comparison here. So again, original, that's what it comes like right out of the shop. Okay, now we got it down to a nice rounded, if you can see that, nice rounded. So comparing the two, you can clearly see the difference there. Didn't take much off here, just did a light sanding, smooth, but we got those edges nice and rounded. Still thick, still doing the job. Yeah, that's pretty much it. Now I'm gonna go ahead and do that with the other two fins, and that'll complete the sanding for the fins. All right, stay tuned. Next, I'll probably be doing the body tube spirals, filling that, but just want to check in with the fins. Thanks, take care.